How to download Python on Mac. First of all, you just need to go to Google, type in Python, and then you want to go to the website here, www.python.org. Make sure it's that one, that you're not going on any other dodgy websites, anything like that. Then hover over download, then click download for Mac OS. It should be that version of the Python, or if there's another one come out, it might be updated for you at the time of watching the video. Go to the top right there, you can go ahead and drag that, or just double click on it on your desktop. And then you see it comes up here saying install Python. You just want to click on continue here. Once it's done that, then you can go ahead and read through this, but you just keep on clicking continue through all these. You can read through these things if you want to, but I'm just going to go ahead and click continue, agree when it pops up, and then click install. Then you'll need to put in your password, so go ahead and do that, then click on install software. Then it should only take potentially a few seconds or a few minutes depending on how fast your MacBook laptop is. Then once this pops up, it should be done. You can go ahead and click on the Python launcher, or you can just go ahead and click on idle, depending on what you want to do. But that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.